akong t-shirt. Diba ko niya? Oh. And second one. Wait pa, katakuliyo pa. I'm back. And this one. This one. Hi, ikaw ko, you're full of vlog. Ang ikaw ko ba ya? Never kilig. Anak ko ba ya? Hanapin ako, iwag siya ko upload pa. Uba ko more pa. Uba ko pa Steam. Ay, wag ko po dyan. Iwag ko. Kaibod ang Roblox. And 3 days lagi dyan nung bilit ko lang. Uwa ko dyan. Uwa! I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. And show pa ako. Ikaw. Upload ako. T-shirt ako. And even your upload. On this. Pwede ka upload. In YouTube pa. Not Twitter. And in Twitter, yeah. No, I don't have Robux for upload the Robux. I have to have 20 Robux and upload ako niya. And hay 2 Robux each. 2 Robux each. My t-shirt, 2 bucks each. Then the noob is 2 bucks. Hindi ka bayad. And the expensive one. And wala ko na t-shirt pa. And bye-bye guys. Ay, show ko ba? Super. And kaya, puno ba pa? Ito pa. Ikaw ko pa. I need 6 more. 6 more. I upload 6 more. And pwede ako pagka your drawing, send to me. Pwede ako upload your drawing. Or tanggal chat, I upload ako your avatar in this. And I will upload it. Online ako nila. Tago ako. 1 week ako suksok. 1 week. And happy ako. And wapa ako bucks. That 1 bucks pa ako. Okay ba? Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Oh, what did that kuya? Tail. Beginner. Bye-bye.